So this evening I went out for like a walk slash jog at MacRitchie Reservoir, and somehow I ended up at a Mookata restaurant. And yeah, it was so weird because I was just eating chicken breast, and yeah, it just tastes weird. I mean, I don't know. For me, Mookata is all about pork and all those fatty stuff. So yeah, so plan B. So usually if I'm not going for hiking or anything, I will come down to this place, fitness area, and yeah, I'll do a very short exercise. It's like 15 minutes. So how it works is that I will skip rope for 4 minutes, and then I'll do like 20 push-up and 20 sit-ups, and then I won't take a rest. Maybe if I have time remaining, I'll take a rest. Then I'll straight away go back to skipping. So it just takes around 15 minutes in total. So yeah, if you guys wanna follow along, I'll just record myself, and yeah, you guys can see how I go through my 15 minutes of workout. 30 seconds more. Ha! Let's go. So I'm gonna start my round 2 now. It's a little bit over time, but I don't think I'll be recording the whole thing because it's gonna take a while. Plus my battery is running low. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Thank you guys. Peace out.